in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom Facebook page username for Facebook. Okay, so you have to make sure you have switched into the Facebook page so you can add and create a new custom Facebook page username for your page. And you can check that by clicking on the top right corner here and making sure that the Facebook page name you see here matches with the one you see here. And if it doesn't, then you have to click on see all profiles and select the Facebook page you want to create a new Facebook page username for. And of course, the great thing about Facebook page username is once you create a username, people and other Facebook pages will be able to tag you using this username. And secondly, once you create a Facebook page username, this random Facebook page URL you currently have will be changed to a custom URL, which makes it a lot easier to link your Facebook page from your website and other websites. Alright, so once you switch into the Facebook page to create the new Facebook page username, all you have to do is click on settings on the left here. And here's what we're going to be able to set a new username. If you already set another username, you're also going to be able to change the username here. So click on edit here. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that the username, because it will be the URL of your Facebook page and it has to be unique. Unlike the Facebook page name, which doesn't have to be unique necessarily, so add the username. So as you can see, once you add the username, Facebook is gonna check whether this Facebook page username is available or not, and you also have to make sure to not use certain characters. See, now it is available. So once you have found a right username that is kind of similar to your Facebook page name but is unique, and then all you have to do is click on Save Changes. Here you might have to enter your Facebook, so Facebook verifies you who are changing your Facebook page username, and click submit. And now if we go back to the Facebook page, we can see in the browser address that the new Facebook page username has been added to the URL as well. So here, so people now can also use this username to tag us in Facebook posts or messages. So that's all. This is how to create a new Facebook page username for your Facebook business page. See you next time.